In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch templates on your Squarespace website. Whether you're looking to refresh your website's appearance or starting a new design project, understanding how to change templates is a crucial skill. Let's walk through this process together, step by step, to ensure it's as easy and seamless as possible. To start off, you'll want to go to your Squarespace homepage. Once you're there, simply log in to ensure you're accessing all the necessary configuration options for your site. Your homepage acts as the gateway to customizing your entire website, offering a wide array of features right at your fingertips. Next, locate and click on Website in the main menu. This option will direct you to all the relevant sections related to your website's design and structure. Don't worry if the menu looks a bit crowded, it's just a host of powerful tools waiting to help you create that perfect look. As we proceed, focus on navigation, and you'll find everything you need. Once you've accessed the website settings, you're going to want to select Styles. This section is crucial for altering the visual aspects of your site, offering a range of design elements and styles you can adjust to fit your brand or vision. It's designed to be intuitive, so even if you're new to website design, you should find it manageable. From there, click on Themes. In Squarespace, the term themes is often synonymous with templates. Essentially, a theme acts as the foundation for your website's layout and aesthetic, providing you with a structured, appealing look that can be customized further as per your needs. At this point, you should see various themes available to choose from. Take your time to browse through these options and select the one that best suits your needs or intended design. Each theme is crafted to provide a different look and feel, so whether you're going for something modern, minimalist, or bold, you're sure to find one that aligns with your vision. After you've made your choice, don't forget to click on Save to ensure your changes are applied. It's a small but crucial step that finalizes the changes you've made. Saving locks in all your customizations, so they reflect accurately on your live site. It's always a good practice to double-check everything before you click Save, ensuring you've set everything just the way you want it. And there you have it. You've successfully switched templates on your Squarespace website. Take a moment to preview your site and make any additional tweaks if necessary. By following these steps, you've taken control of your website's design, enhancing its aesthetic appeal with ease. Enjoy your new look, and remember, the flexibility of Squarespace allows you to update your design choices whenever inspiration strikes. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!